excited because today I have some phone cases to show you guys. I have 4 of them, and these were all sent to me by, I believe you pronounce it Gviewin. I'll put it right here. If I'm mispronouncing that, I'm sorry. I am not good at pronouncing things at all. So I was sent these, but in all honesty, this is going to be an honest review, and I'm really excited to do this because I actually really love these cases so much. I really wanted to come on here and do a dedicated review so that I could tell you guys some good affordable phone cases, because I've had this case on my phone now for 4 days, I believe. I've had it on for like 4 days, and I actually went from having an OtterBox to this, and I actually really love this. So when I seen the price, heard about them, felt them, think they're good quality, I really wanted to come on here and tell you. So you can get them on Amazon, but you can also get them on their website if you want. So I'm going to link the ones that I got on Amazon so you guys can go see those ones. I'm also going to put their website down below so that you guys can go shop on their website. They do make different phone cases for different phones, so they make them for iPhone, Samsung, LG, and everything like that. They also make some for tablets, which I think is really cool. So they had sent me over 4 phone cases, so I'm going to show you guys all of these today, but the first thing I want to mention is just look at the packaging. I love how it's cardboard. Very simple packaging, but I knew right away what it was, and I was so excited because I just love this. I think the simpleness just speaks for itself, and all the detail is in the phone cases is what I think. So you open it up. You open it up and it comes in here. So it's protected with this little plastic, so you take it out. You've got a little piece of styrofoam in here, and then here is the case, and I think this is just extremely cute. Like, look at that. It's so cute. It's so pretty. And if you know me, you know I love floral. So when I seen they were all floral, I was like, yes, that is perfect. Summer's here. I love it. So excited. So right here, you actually get a couple of other things. So let's take this out. The next thing that you get is this stick film installation tools and a screen protector. So you're really paying like, the cases do range, so I don't want to say like this is how much it is, because when you go on, the style may be different, but you're not really paying an arm and a leg for a phone case, and you're getting a screen protector. Not just that, on the inside you're getting like a little cleaning cloth, and it also shows you how to actually put the screen protector on. There's also little stickers on the inside here that will help you line up the screen protector to your phone, which I still need to do. On their YouTube channel, they actually have how to do it, so I found that tutorial very helpful. So if you get one of these and you're kind of confused on what to do, you can always go check out their YouTube channel, because they have it showing you how to actually do it, which I like, because I was so confused. I was like, how am I supposed to do this? But it was so helpful because everything that you need to know, they have little videos on there. They're straight to the point, which I like. You also do get this little lanyard, which I think is very cool, because what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put it in here. This way you're able to have your phone case hang off your neck. So for the full price, you're getting a screen protector, a little lanyard to hang your phone, and you're also getting a really nice phone case. Well, now I'm going to show you guys the phone cases. So here's one of them. It's got like pink little flowers. I really like it. I think it is so cute. And then this one here, it's got more flowers on the top, and it's very simple on the bottom, and it's actually covering like the Apple logo, but I think it is just so pretty and so cute, and it does make like a little bit of a statement, because when I seen this I was like, I need that, because when you hold your phone, all the flowers are at the top, right? Like you're holding it, you're not really seeing anything on the bottom, but you're seeing all the flowers on the top. And I actually took like a picture for Instagram, and I was like, that is so cute. So when I seen this, I really wanted to put it on. This one I like because you're able to actually see like the Apple logo, and there's little flowers around it. The next one is like really cute as well. I just really like how this one has different flowers. It's more bold. It's got red, it's got some pink, it's got green, it's got different leaves. This one's just really cute. This one I think would go really well with one of my dresses that I have. I seen it and I thought that's gonna go nice with that, but I love this one. I think this is so cute. What I like is the floral patterns are different throughout. So okay, one person may like flowers but may not like a certain type. That's the same as I like marble, but there may be different prints of marble that I like. So when I seen the different types of floral like prints, I really liked it. And the last one, this one I think is just so cute. I love the roses on here. You're able to see the Apple logo through, so I think that is just so cute. So like they're all different in their own ways, and I really like that. So now to get into kind of the quality of it, because you're probably wondering. So these are flimsy, but I have had flimsier cases. These are like a silicone, and I've had thinner and flimsier cases. They're not hard to go in and out of your pocket. Sometimes I find with rubber cases it gets stuck to the pocket and your clothing, or they get dirty fast, and I didn't find that with these. I found these very good. I have actually dropped my phone since putting this case on because I have a dog, and the dog just loves to break my things. So I actually dropped this while having it on, and if you guys know, the iPhone X has like glass all around, so it did not shatter anything, which is good. What I like is it actually has like thicker corners up here, and then it's like thinner here. So the design of the case I really like. I dropped my phone, like a good drop, like this dropped, and it didn't crack or anything. I've brought it with me, I've had it at the gym, I've been tossing it in my purse, and I've had nothing wrong. I really like these cases, and I think if you want an affordable case, these are good. The other part about these cases for me is because the print is fun, this is something where it could be like, okay, I'll buy myself this for summer and spring, and then when fall comes, I can afford to buy myself another case for fall, and I can swap them out. Because sometimes with expensive phone cases, we have to get one that's going to be our phone case for like the next couple years, where this, you can just swap it out per season because it is really affordable, which I personally love. Oh, so I didn't talk about this. So the actual print on here, this is what I was wondering, because I've had phone cases from like Walmart, Stitches, I've had phone cases from Best Buy, like I've had so many phones. I just went through so many phones, and I've bought so many different phone cases from literally 50 cents to I think it was like 80 bucks. I've spent like a wide variety of ranges. So when I say this is like a really nice quality, this is a really nice quality. It's hard to explain because it's like a print, but even if you like scratch it, it's not like it's coming off. It's not like it's peeling. I've had nothing chip. I've had nothing go wrong with it. And I know I've had it only for 4 days, but sometimes you do get cases like my OtterBox case. I had that for a week, and I noticed it was like just falling apart basically because of the print on it. So I really like this a lot. It's really good quality. They're all the same print. Like they're all like that. They all have that same thing. So I like that a lot. The buttons are easy to push because some I know are harder to push, or they don't go on, like you can't push the buttons well in some cases, but this one you can, and it does cover a nice variety around the phone. And the reason I'm telling you guys all this is because when you do look for a phone case, especially like an affordable phone case, it's nice to know how it is for the phone, and I've had no issues with this at all. So if you wanted to know how to put the lanyard through, they do actually have a video on how to do that as well. It is a little bit confusing, I find. I personally think if they'd have the lanyard go like on the side, maybe. It just gets hard because the corner is pretty thick. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to get like the end of it directly into the corner just because the corner is a little bit thicker. But other than that, I've had no issues, nothing with the phone case. I think they're really nice. So all in all, I think these are very good phone cases, especially if you want an affordable phone case. They have so many different types of prints. I'm really looking forward to the fall and winter to get some different phone cases. I've seen they have marble ones, and I'm really thinking about getting one of those because I really like them. But they have a ton of different ones. So the shipping for me came very quickly. I'm in Canada, so sometimes it's nice to know that. I didn't have any duties, so that's good to know. And yeah, that's about that. So all in all, you can get these on Amazon if you want them on Amazon. I don't think they have as many options on Amazon as you would on their website. But I mean, at the end of the day, if you wanted to go on Amazon and get them, you can. But if you want to go on their website, you can as well. They have very nice customer service and I'd highly recommend them. So if you're looking for affordable phone cases, definitely check them out. Everything is going to be linked in the description down below. And if you want to see these more up close, I'm going to have pictures of them on my Instagram, just letting you know. You can go follow me on there. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit that little notification bell to be notified when I upload next. Leave me a comment down below on what your favorite phone case was. I'd like to know because like I am torn. These are upside down. But I am torn between all of these. Like if I could put them all on my phone at once, I would, because of how much I like floral. I don't know. I like them all. I have a feeling I'm going to be switching them out every single week. So let me know down below which one was your favorite. And I will see you guys in the next one.